Hello, my name is Jaswinder Singh Sekhon and I'm the admission head at City University. At City University, we consider industry collaborations to be the main effort so that the students can learn more. When the university has such positives, we always need a partner that can actually we can collaborate with and go on beyond boundaries, and NPF has really helped us in spreading out the message about our universities. The main point that the university stresses upon is industry education, industry-based education. So when I say industry-based education, it means that each and every field, each and every school has an industry tie-up so that the student can benefit from it. The curriculum that is designed is entirely designed by the industry people and not by the faculty who are masters or even doctorates. So the main advantage over here is when the people in the industry are designing that syllabus or the curriculum, the students are directly benefiting it from it because they know what is going on in the industry. NPF has a lot of advantages as well because the panel that NPF uses is very user friendly. When you straight away open that panel, you straight away get to know how many leads are there, how many interested candidates are there, and further segregation of how many interested candidates are from which particular states. And also it goes on to that particular depth that in real time also we can know which particular student is actually interested, and for the time being it is also allotted a lead score. So according to the lead score, we actually know that which is a promising lead and which can be converted immediately, and which particular student is stuck at an initial step. So yes, we also through NPF we can also have mass messaging and mass emailing as well, so where the student can also know about the particular courses that he is interested in. The feather in the cap that NPF also provides us is that basically we can have all the lead campaigns over there. If we are running ads on Facebook, we are running ads on any other platform, so it gets integrated with NPF and we can know from which particular platform are we getting how many leads. So that is the best part of it. We actually know that how much money have we invested also in a particular ad on Facebook or on Google AdWords, and that gets very perfectly shown by graphs in NPF, and by that particular thing we actually know. And also on the website also NPF also introduces a NIA chatbot that is there. So the student, if any student gets on the website also, their chatbot is also helping the particular student to actually choose a particular course in the best possible manner, and it is very interactive chatbot. So the student is also having a real-time experience over there, and he gets to know each and everything about the university in that particular through that particular piece of technology.